Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Ritik Classes. Today I will show you how to download Python in Windows 10. First, open any browser, then search Python download. You can download the latest version in Windows 10, but in Windows 7 or older you cannot do that. But don't worry, you can download the older versions. Okay? So download this. After downloading this, Python is not looking beautiful. Can we make it beautiful? Of course, yes, we can do this. So to make Python's IDLE cooler and easier to use, we can download a PyCharm IDLE. Click on download. You can download the professionals one, but it is paid. Yes, it is free for only 30 days. But don't worry, we can download the community version because it is free to use. Okay, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video of this interesting series. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.